My next guest, I don't know, I've had him arrested, I've had him kidnapped, I've had his house blown up, but he's still here. I can't get rid of him. So I said, all right, Kenny, come and sing, Mr. Kenny Stevens. You alright, Ken? I'm alright, mate. Yeah, good. I see you still got the same shirt on here last night.
At least I didn't come in fancy.
Oh, no, don't encourage him. Listen, no, seriously, I'll have some quiet here, please. Very, don't encourage him. He'll be thinking he's 6 foot next.
He is!
What do you see that time, boy?
The cherries, Ken.
Ah, the cherries.
The cherries? No, that's warm now, isn't it?
We did a gig down Clapham Common. Steve said, oh, there's plenty of food, we're going to get something to eat. It was on at 6 o'clock, we finished at 7. I said, where's the food? And he said, oh, just the guy's coming now, the guy's coming now. Here he comes. And this guy walks up with this big plate of cherries. And that was it.
You're not going to let it go, are you? You can see how vexed he is, isn't it? Look at his face. Yeah.
The thing is, it was a foodies festival.
It was a foodie festival. Listen, mate, I told you before, life is a bowl of cherries.
It is one of you.
Listen, you know you love me, even though I don't like you at all.
Sorry.
Bum, bum. I'm having too much of a laugh up here, really. Okay, all right.
Excuse me, could someone go look for Steve's brain? He's left it somewhere in the building. We're not quite sure, but it's definitely not in his head at the moment.
What's the name of what we're doing? How Make You Love Me? I knew that. I was just waiting to see if you were on point or not. You know? Yeah. Anyway, feel.
Singers in the house. Patrick, quick!
All right.
Give us.
Turn down the lights, turn down the beat, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me close, baby, don't your eyes on me. I can't wait to love me again. I can make your heart feel something. These final hours, I will lay down with you. I will feel the power
You're going to sing another one, Ken?